Load that dump truck up and just unload all of your crypto because it is going to zero. Next price target is 12,000. I am just kidding. No. First off, let's just get a little technical here for a second. And on the 200-day, boom, we're touching the 200-day support and bouncing off of it on the daily. And if we look at the RSI, we are oversold. When was the last time this sucker was oversold? Well, it wasn't until Bitcoin was at $26,000. Okay, this is massive. And this time we are in a bull market. Because if you zoom in, well, ironically, if you zoom out, we are in a upswinging trending market, right? So we're just touching below here. If I get rid of the 200-day, it's a little bit easier to see. The 200-day is this red line. So the golden cross and, the death cross is when this green line hits the red one and So no, this is just interesting. People are upset and they're panic selling because of Mt. Gox is getting ready to return 140,000 Bitcoin from victims back in 2014 in their hack. And that, when was 2014? Okay, let's look way back here. I'm going to have to go to damn near the monthly candle here. 2014, Bitcoin $215 and maybe 500, maybe 1,000-ish. So these guys are all getting ready to sell. And that's basically what's going on. Along with the ETH ETFs that are going to be approved in May, this is the last chance we're going to see Bitcoin get this close to that support of the 200-day moving average. So just overall, it is time to necessarily not get crazy scared, because if we don't hold the support line, well, we could definitely be seeing 40,000, 46,000, maybe a small little break at 50 here, but still, that's going to end up being in a still bull market, bull trajectory, because the Fed, they are going to cut rates here potentially by the end of the year because the election is going on and whatnot. So all this is people are getting massively liquidated right now, but we're getting back to about 60,000. We got down to 400. And here, if I go on the 4-hour, we're starting to see a hammer candle, which is something that you can pretty much is a reversal candle, right? So you'd enter once this guy opens and you'd have your close here to see. And you could potentially even say that this is a harami, a pregnant candle, because it's filling up into the body. This could get even more if it becomes a piercing candle where it's getting upwards of 50% of this guy. That's super bullish, super bullish. So yes, if we zoom in, things are going down, right? And we've had a break here, just here, and this could be a pin bar candle where it just pops and then comes back into this range, okay? And with this wedge, usually falling wedges end up being bullish sentiments, and they used to bounce up. They usually do. So I am very bullish on Bitcoin and even Ethereum that went all the way down to 3,200, right? And we saw the reversal candle. It got rejected. Then we saw another reversal candle, and boom, here we are. But this is a time not to be scared. It's just to be understanding. And this is all because of Mt. Gox and the ETH ETF coming up here. Manipulation.